No need to wait for summer to enjoy fresh squeezed lemonade. Watch how easy it can be to make your own at home with Takeya's Lemonade Maker using our exclusive flash chill method. Start by slicing 7 large ripe lemons in half. When you're finished, add 2 cups of hot water, your favorite sweetener, and stir. Once the sweetener has dissolved, twist the juicer attachment onto the pitcher. Then place your lemonade maker on the non-slip pad. Now you can juice your lemons directly into the pitcher. Simply push down and twist. Then remove the juicer attachment and top off the pitcher with ice or cold water. Then seal the lid, making sure it's airtight, before gently shaking to flash chill for 30 seconds or until the ice is melted. Now you're ready. Pour yourself a cold glass of refreshing lemonade and enjoy. Ah, life is good. Sold separately, our optional thermal jacket zips on to keep your lemonade cold longer and absorb condensation.